Hi, it's Dr. Patricia Porter again, and I want to address a really important question in this next few videos. I was reminded about this issue when I was presenting to a group of parents, and the question came up, as it always comes up: how can I stop my children spending so much time playing on video games when I want them to do their homework instead? I'd thought about this for quite a while, and it wasn't until I did a bit more research that I found out some ways and some information that may be useful to you. So on these short videos, we're going to talk, one, about what the problem is, why video games are a problem. Not talking so much about texting on these videos. This is mainly video games. I'll talk about texting another time. So the first one is the problem, what the problem is and why it's a problem. The second one is going to be on the reasons why children play video games. And this is very interesting. I can only touch on them a little bit, but you need to know this, it's very important. The third video is going to be how you can discover your child's reasons for playing on video. Maybe a mix of reasons, but you need to know why. Once you know why, once you discover why your child prefers video games to homework, then you can start to do something about it. And in the last video, I will give you some ideas of how to help your child wean them off video games. I do not do this as an expert on children and video. I do it as an educator and from an understanding of how video and video games can both be useful, because they often involve a lot of skills for children, or destructive, because they actually stop children thinking and they can be time wasters. So why do parents ask me how they can stop their kids playing video games? The main reason is because they think it detracts from time from doing homework, which it probably does. It doesn't always, but it can do. How long should children be playing video games? It's difficult to tell, but no child should be in front of a screen for 5 hours a day, even 4 hours a day, or even 3 hours a day. And that includes television as well as the video games that they are playing. So we want to get kids playing video games, but playing them in a responsible and respectful way. And playing video games when it does not interfere with them doing schoolwork or doing homework. So if your child is playing video games rather than doing homework, even after you have reminded him or her that homework should be getting done, then it's a problem and you need to think about it. And you need to do something about it. And you need to do something about it without being preachy or sermonizing or telling the kids what to do all the time. You need to have a different approach, a more understanding approach, understanding why your child is doing this, and then you can work out how to handle it. So these 4 videos are going to be, this is the introduction. The next one is going to be the reasons why kids play video games. Very interesting. The third one is a general idea of how you can discover your child's reasons for playing video games. And if you know me at all, you know you have to find out why. You have to discover why before you can provide the right solution. And in the fourth one, I will give you some actual solutions for each of the reasons that I give you, and you can choose among them. So I hope this is going to be useful. As I said, this is just the introductory video.